When I think about all the time we've got right now, ancient Romans always come in my mind. They knew how to enjoy life, that's sure. Wine, baths, luxury and leisure. That's actually the way most of us would like to live. According to their daily calendar, there was a Negotium, a time dedicated to social affairs, mainly related to politics and commerce. And there was a time, much more important, called Otium, and focused on the care of yourself, of your wisdom. It was the maximum every citizen could aspire, a perfect model of existence, made of readings, philosophy, relax, art and exercises for both your body and your mind. He was the bread for most of all social activities. I'm wondering why we screwed everything up. Society is now literally enveloped in an excess of Negotium and in a sort of demonization of Otium. Well, at least till this virus came out from nowhere and stopped almost everything. We can always learn from the past. We can always adapt to what's happening. We are always moving, and now we have a chance to grow up and to think about the care of ourselves. Now we have a chance to make good use of our Otium, to improve and to better live our future Negotium. Hard work sucks, but we have to work hard for it. That's my hope for everybody. Enjoy your free time, mates.